I'm Fred Satilli. I'm not sure yet what I want to call this video series. I believe that may become apparent over the next few weeks, but I didn't want to wait any longer to start. On or about a week ago, the Supreme Court of the United States voted 7-2 on something that seems to have avoided the news. The FBI, CIA, and other bureaucracies are funded through the U.S. Treasury, through the Congress, as congressional appropriations. We vote for members of Congress, so if we have an issue, we can contact them or even vote the scoundrels out. That is our power. Well, the Supreme Court has decided that it is now okay for government entities to get their funding directly from the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve, as you know, is not federal and has no reserves. It is a foreign bank, not an American bank, a foreign bank. When you are paying someone, you are that person's boss. Why are we giving sovereignty to a foreign bank? Let's break it down. July 21st, 2010, Dodd-Frank was enacted. It's called H.R. 4173. This was the too big to fail law. You know the cliche, never let a crisis go to waste. Well, the government-sponsored economic collapse of 2008 was met with, we need more regulation, cure, by the same group that caused the devastating real estate bubble in the first place. It was signed into law by the arguably disreputable Barack Obama. I say disreputable because I always felt strongly that Obama was to the presidency what the Federal Reserve is to our economy, not in our nation's best interest. So, Dodd-Frank created the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This was the power grab of Elizabeth Warren, another dishonest politician. Remember Pocahontas? She was a college entry and status cheat. Well, her CFPB was funded directly from the Federal Reserve Bank. The U.S. Constitution states, no money shall be drawn from the Treasury, but in consequence appropriations made by law. I guess we got around the Constitution again. We just draw money straight from the Fed rather than from the Treasury, so we don't have to worry about that old pesky law. No government agency should be ruled through funding by a foreign bank. Sam Alito and Neil Gorsuch were the dissenting votes in the 7-2 decision, much to their extreme credit. In law, the devil is often in the definition, and apparently the definition of the word appropriate was utilized to skunk the intent of law. Now, government bureaucracies can find funding from outside sources. Now, instead of the taxpayer, the money-addicted government can get its fix from anybody, and they can rule. And you know it will. I'll be here again soon. Thank you.